Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you one of my favorite hair masks that I love to do. So if you guys want to see that, just keep on watching. And make sure you guys subscribe for more videos in the future, okay? So let's get right into this. So the first ingredient that I'll be using is yogurt. I use the fat-free, non-flavored, plain version. This is rich in vitamins and fatty acids. It's also very moisturizing. I use about 4 tablespoons for my length of hair, but if your hair is shorter, just adjust to your liking. Then I use about 2 tablespoons of a regular deep conditioner. This one is by Shea Moisture. Any deep conditioner will do. I use this one because I really don't like it on its own, but it's a lot better when I mix it with something. So that's that. Next, I'm putting in about a tablespoon of bamboo powder. I'll list all of the beneficial properties below, but bamboo is just really good for strengthening. It has a lot of silica in it, which is good for our hair. To follow up with that, I use about a tablespoon of AMLA powder. And finally, the star of the show, about a tablespoon of hibiscus powder. Hibiscus is known for stimulating hair growth. It's rich in vitamin C, which assists with collagen production. I forgot that I also put about maybe a tablespoon of my DIY hair growth oil. I put that video up in the cards. If you guys haven't seen it, make sure you check that out. And I'll also leave it down below. So I'm applying this mask on pre-pooed hair. You can apply it before or after you cleanse. It doesn't really matter. It's totally up to you. I've done both. Just make sure your hair is in sections so that you can really focus on getting it on the scalp as well as down the hair shaft. As you can see, I apply the mask generously from roots to the ends to make sure I reap all the benefits. This mask is really nourishing for your scalp as well as your hair. If you guys are worried about this possibly staining your hair, don't worry. I know the color is really pretty, but it does not stain your hair whatsoever. It just rinses right off your hands and your hair as soon as the water hits it, so you don't have to worry about that at all. Once it's all throughout my hair, I put on a plastic shower cap and an extra bag just to trap in some more heat, and I leave it on for about an hour. And this is what my hair is looking like after I washed it out. As you can see, no pink, nothing, it's all rinsed out. My hair is very shiny, it's super soft. So if you guys really want to do this, I highly recommend it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do so. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!